Question 6. The map below shows a route from Edinburgh to Dundee. The route from Edinburgh to Dundee is approximately 4 centimetres on a map. The actual journey is approximately 100 kilometres. Calculate the scale on the map, giving your answer in the form of 1 to so many others. Right, there we go then. We know that 4 centimetres represents 100 kilometres on this map. So we know that 1 centimetre represents 25 kilometres. But we've got a mixture of units here, so what we need to do now is change this 25 kilometres into centimetres. Right, so what do we know? We know that there are 1,000 metres in 1 kilometre, and we know that there's 100 centimetres in 1 metre. So we've got that information. Okay, so first of all, 25 kilometres is the same as, well, if we times it by 1,000, we'll get how many metres it is. So 25,000 metres. And then we can turn those metres into centimetres by timesing by 100. Okay, so what's that? That's 2.5 million centimetres. And so that's our final answer by there. So it means that every 1 centimetre on that map actually represents 2.5 million centimetres out on the road. Part 2. It says the journey from Edinburgh to Dundee takes 2 hours and 30 minutes by car. Calculate the average speed of this journey. Give your answer in kilometres per hour. Okay, kilometres per hour means how many kilometres will you go in an hour? So the journey, remember, was 100 kilometres. So in 2.5 hours, you can travel 100 kilometres at this speed. Right, now I'm going to go for the half an hour. So I'm going to say in half an hour then, if we're travelling at the same speed, we can go 20 kilometres. And that's because there's 5 lots of half an hour in 2.5 hours. There's 5 lots of 20 in 100. Okay, so it makes sense that if in 2.5 hours you can go 100 kilometres, in half an hour you can go 20 kilometres, dividing each one of those by 5. Right, so if in half an hour you can go 20 kilometres, in 1 hour you can go 40 kilometres. Okay, so if you can travel 40 kilometres in an hour, every hour, that's kilometres per hour. So that's our speed, 40 kilometres per hour.